It's cold in the house, but we gotta go. Cover your mouth. Blow your nose. Come here. You sleepy? Okay, come on. You look cute. Y'all, so good morning, good morning. It's gonna be a productive day today. I have a few errands to run. I just dropped the kids off at school. I am off today. I need to go to Walmart. I need to take these shoes back to Oshkosh or Carter's. Oshkosh. I need to go to the bank. I need to clean my car. I need to stop at this summer program for the kids. I got a lot to do in a short period of time, and I want to clean the house. So I'm doing all of this stuff in preparation for our vacation, and I need everything to get done. So yeah, let's go. Let's go.
I say that we falling off lately. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying. The truth is not hiding. That's just the way we are. But can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it would just show me back. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that.
I don't know about y'all, but I have to keep a clean car. I've always kept a clean car, and I learned that from my dad. If you do know me, like if I'm feeling stressed out or just anxious and just like a lot going on, where do I go? I come to the car wash because it is so relaxing to me. I don't know what it is, but it's relaxing, and then just having a clean car, it's the best thing ever. And it's just like, why wouldn't you keep your car clean? You're in your car a lot. Why wouldn't you want to keep a clean space? I don't get it. But not only keep a clean car, but make sure you maintain your car. Maintain it. Get your oil changes. Get your tires rotated. Get new tires. Just keep up with the maintenance of your car, and it will last you forever. The first car I ever purchased, it was when I was, I had to be like 18, right? I bought my first car. It was a Honda Civic. I think it was an 03 Honda Civic. It came with 16,000 miles on it. By the time I got done with the car, mind you, I only got a new car because I had got married and we were having our first child. So I kept that car until it hit over 250,000 miles, and it was nothing wrong with the car. Nothing. Perfect condition, nothing. And then I got a Honda Cross Tour. It was a 2012 Honda Cross Tour. That one only came with, I think, like 25,000 miles. And when I got done, it was over 230,000. Car in mint condition, nothing wrong with it. And the only reason why I didn't get rid of it, I had an accident, right? And they ended up totaling it. But it was, I'm telling you, it was in perfect condition. This car came with 25,000 miles on it, and I will ride this car till the wheels fall off. Anyways, moral of the story is maintain your cars. God will not bless you with more if you can't maintain what you have. Maintain anything, not just car. Whatever you have, maintain. Money, housing, whatever it is, maintain it, and you will be blessed with more. But yeah, all right. So now I'm about to go to the kids' summer camp and see what they talk about. All right, y'all. So I ended up taking the shoes I got last week from Oshkosh back because they were too small on each boy. So they were too small on both of them. So I ended up getting one size up, and they had them. I was in and out, and she told me that I was getting $11 back. What? Because they went on sale even more. Hello, thank you. Thank you, thank you. So now, use that $11, and I'm about to go eat. And I'm gonna go to Chick-fil-A, and I'm gonna get a salad. Well, I don't know what I'm getting. Well, I'm not going, yeah. No, I'm getting a salad. I just don't know what kind of salad. But that's where we're going right now. And then I'm gonna head home. I'm gonna head home and start cleaning. All right, y'all, so I'm about to sit in this car and eat my salad in peace. I can't even people watch because there ain't nobody out here. It's early. It's only 11. But I'm hungry. So I ended up getting the Cobb salad, no bacon. With ranch. Yeah. Can you see it? I gotta try to be neat because I just cleaned my car. So these are the charred tomato crispy red bell peppers. I've never had those. And I just got ranch. I love ranch. You can't go wrong with ranch. Oh, this is about to be bomb. I don't even know if I can cut it up. I like my salads chopped. This is good. All right, I'm about to enjoy. All right, y'all. So I just made it home. About to get this cleaning done. It looks a hot mess because this morning we was rushing, all kinds of stuff. So I think I'm gonna do a speed clean, and I need to hurry up and get done before the trash people come. So yeah, but this is a before hot mess. Hold on. All right, don't mind everything out here because this is our suitcases. We're packing. So I'm going to get all that organized and situated too. So don't mind that, but yeah. And I know my baby's 4, right? 4. Need to get rid of that. But what I was about to say, but we need new stools, right? So until we get new stools, he still sits in that. He doesn't sit with the topper, but we bring it over to the table. So I need to redo that. But yeah, I'm about to get started.
High volume, high volume, high volume, high volume. I got what you need, so come share my world. I wanna let you know that you don't have have to go. Don't wonder no more what I think about you. If it's something that you want, then you should make me your girl, your girl. If it's something that you need, then baby, come and share my world, share my world. If it's something that you want, come and take a walk with me, with me. If it's everything that you need, I got it right here, baby. And now it's obvious you need a friend to come hold you down. Be that one to share your everything when no one's around. Baby, come tell me your secrets and tell me all your dreams. Cause I can see you need someone to trust. You can trust in me.
Alright, y'all, so let me tell you real quick what I got from Walmart. Even though it's in a Target bag, it's from Walmart. Alright, I got razors. Even though I'm gonna use Veet before we leave, but you know, we're gonna be there for a little bit. Got some coconut radiant lotion. So Ultra Sheer sunscreen. I'm leaving this home, but I got some Dove, what is this, mango and almond butter. It smells so good. I got that. I got some liquid IV because you already know it's, you know, all inclusive, so you can eat and drink, but I want to make sure we stay hydrated. So I got some liquid IV. I do plan on working out while we're there, so I did get some Celsius. I love this. And then what else I get? For the toilet, you already know what that is. And then I got some, for the kids, I got them, they needed black dress socks. So I got that. And then I got 2 pairs of pants. These were only $3 each. Originally $9.98, on sale for $3. And all right, y'all, so probably like 3 months ago, I had ordered some pants off of walmart.com, right? And I thought they were adult size pants, and when they came in the mail, it was for kids. So these are the pants I got. I'm not sure if you can see it. Hold on. Oh. So these are the pants I got. And these were on sale for $7. Crazy, right? Yeah. So I got those, and I got this shacket. Even though I already have one, but it's like a faux leather shacket. And this was on sale for $5. So I'm like, this one, it seems like a little thicker, I think. I don't know, but it was $5. It looks like more oversized than my other one. So yeah, I'm excited for this too.
High volume, high volume, high volume. I got what you need, so come share my world. I wanna let you know that you don't have to go. Don't wonder no more what I think about you. If it's something that you want, then you should make me your girl, your girl. If it's something that you need, then baby, come and share my world, share my world. If it's something that you want, come and take a walk with me, with me. If it's everything that you need, I got it right here, baby. And now it's obvious you need a friend to come hold you down. Be that one to share your everything. No one's around. Baby, come tell me your secrets.
hold on. Don't mind all that over there. That's my kids' school stuff. So we don't touch that because it's just too much to take it in and out every day. But everything else, we're good. I did not touch out here because I gotta go and do something real quick. So yeah. I cleaned out my trunk. Okay. Clean. This is an old license plate. Well, not license plate, you know, license plate border cover. But all in all, it's clean, so we good.